The Mac Mini has always been one of Apple's most underestimated computers. It's compact, it's affordable compared to Apple's higher-end desktops, and yet it has consistently delivered performance powerful enough for professionals, students, and creators alike. Now in 2025, with the introduction of the M5 chip, Apple is pushing the Mac Mini into an entirely new era of speed and efficiency. The leaks and early benchmarks suggest that the M5 Mac Mini 2025 isn't just a small upgrade. It may be one of the most impressive leaps we've seen in Apple's desktop lineup. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll dive into everything we know so far about the M5 Mac Mini, including its leaked specs, design improvements, performance expectations, comparisons with the M4 and Intel-based minis, pricing rumors, release details, and why this machine could completely redefine what people expect from a mini desktop computer. The Mac Mini has been around since 2005, when Apple first launched it as a small entry-level Mac for people who wanted to bring their own display, keyboard, and mouse. Over time, it became known as a versatile machine, great for offices, great for students, and even popular among music producers and server users. With the transition to Apple Silicon in 2020, the M1 Mac Mini marked a turning point. Suddenly, the Mini wasn't just a budget option. It was a computer that could handle video editing, 3D rendering, software development, and more, all in a chassis smaller than most gaming consoles. The M2 and M4 versions continued this journey, each bringing more power, better efficiency, and support for modern connectivity. Now, the M5 Mac Mini is expected to take things further, offering workstation-class performance in the smallest form factor Apple has ever built. At the heart of the 2025 Mac Mini is the M5 chip, Apple's next-generation silicon that builds on the already powerful M4. Here are the leaked highlights. 3nm Plus architecture with improved transistor density for higher efficiency and lower heat. Up to 16 CPU cores with a mix of performance and efficiency cores, designed for heavy multitasking. Up to 40 GPU cores, bringing near desktop-class graphics power for 3D rendering, game development, and video editing. AI acceleration with a neural engine that is nearly twice as fast as the M4's, designed for machine learning tasks, creative workflows, and on-device AI apps in macOS 15. Memory bandwidth boost of up to 500 GB per second, which puts it in workstation territory. Support for up to 128 GB of unified memory, making it suitable for professional studios. In short, the M5 isn't just about raw power. It's also about smarter efficiency. Apple has engineered it to deliver maximum performance without turning the Mac Mini into a loud, heat-prone desktop. Early benchmarks, though unofficial, suggest that the M5 Mac Mini outpaces not only the M4 Mac Mini but also the M2 Ultra Mac Studio in certain tasks. For example, single-core performance is said to be about 25% faster than M4. Multi-core performance jumps by 35 to 40%, thanks to higher efficiency in multi-threaded workloads. GPU benchmarks show a 50% boost over the M4, putting it closer to discrete GPUs like NVIDIA's RTX 4070. AI-focused tasks, like image recognition, video upscaling, and real-time effects, are reportedly 2x faster than on the M4 Mini. This kind of performance means the M5 Mini can comfortably power